Today we're talking about this new bone conduction headphone hearing amplifier piece. We're going to do a little unboxing. Inside we have a really easy to understand instruction manual, these bone conduction headphones. This is the Bluetooth microphone. Little bag with a lanyard for the microphone if you want to wear it around your neck. There's a charging cord that works for both the microphone and the headphones, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. This can get plugged into the microphone piece, and then you can plug it into your TV or to an iPad or whatever else, and then stream audio directly from your TV or music player right to the bone conduction headphones, which is pretty cool. So to make it work, you first want to turn on the microphone until it flashes. And then you turn on the headphones with the power button. Hold the button until you see a cute little blue smiley face. And then it'll vibrate and it should pair together. Solid means it's paired. Then you're going to give your microphone to whoever you want to listen to. You're going to put the headphones.
I'll take it.
On around your head, and you want to make sure it's lying flat on your right in front of your ear here. And then you can listen to whoever's talking into the microphone.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
And it's really nice, clear audio, and I can still hear my surroundings. So this would be really great at a lecture hall or something like that. So you can still have conversations with those who are around you and listen to the speaker.
Thank you, Malia.
Thank you.